Hi, I'm Alexa Sims, and this is my Module 13 reflection. So, after reviewing the copyright and fair use websites, um, I guess I didn't really realize that there were so many different licenses, like ones that allow others to remix, tweak, and build upon your work non-commercially. And then there's like um, that you must be acknowledged, like different things like that. Like all of these licenses have like they're almost the same, but they have something added in to make them different and to put a different kind of regulation on. So everything that has a license covering it, you really have to check because it might be completely different from a different license, and you have to know um, exactly what the license says so that you're not copywriting without knowing, or like stealing someone's work without knowing. Um, some examples that I've experienced are when you put a full song in with like a PowerPoint or a video or things like that, or if kids are like singing a song or doing a project and you don't give credit to the original of who made it. Another would be if someone is presenting in the community or anything like that and uses, or to the school board, things like that, or in an assembly, sorry, and they use like a PowerPoint or have their kids come up with some kind of demonstration or do some kind of an activity, they must give credit to that source of who first originally did it. So, yeah, and then on the copyright quiz, a few of them really surprised me because I did really well, and then on some of them though I just kind of guessed and I wasn't really sure. And like this one, a high school video class produces a student video yearbook that they sell at community events to raise money for equipment for the school. They use well-known popular music clips. The money all goes to the school and the songs are fully listed in the credits. This is covered under fair use. And it was false, which I guess I didn't realize that because I know you can use like 30 seconds of a song um, in clips and things like that, as long as it's like credited and things like that. Okay, so, and then an elementary school transcribes the lyrics from the album Cats and puts it on as a school mini musical. A teacher plays the music by ear on the piano and the students perform every song. There is no admission charge. Like things like that. I just thought that those questions were kind of different. Yeah, it was kind of cool like learning about this because it's hard to know like what you can and can't do, and it's hard to um, share things that aren't originally yours without them being copyrighted or stolen. So.